Good morning, student. Today I am going to explain you the rest part of the lesson Neha's alarm clock. In our first part, I told you the story of Neha. Neha is a school-going girl like you. She not want to wake up early in the morning. She want to sleep a little longer in the morning. Now the rest part of the story. First I will read the story, then I will explain it. Neha. Oh my eyes. Now it's the sun waking me up. Why can't he let me be? Narrator. Even this wish of Neha's comes true. Next morning, the sun is behind the clouds. So, Neha snores till the hears her mother's voice. Mother, wake up, sleepyhead. You will miss the bus. Neha, oh no, why does mother have to wake me up? Now explanation of these lines, okay? Oh, my eyes. The sunlight comes into the Neha's room na. In last paragraph I explained. So Neha is saying the sunlights are falling into the Neha's eyes. So she said, oh my eyes, now it's the sun waking me up. Now in this time the sun is coming to wake me up. Neha is saying, why can't he let me be? And again she is saying, why can't the sun let me alone? Why he come to wake me up? Narrator. Even this wish of Neha's comes true. Now this wish also comes true next morning. What was his wish? His wish, sun, don't come to wake me up. Next morning the sun is behind the clouds. The next morning sun goes behind to the clouds and sun raises not comes, and so Neha snores. So Neha snores till she hears her mother voice. Now is in this day her mother voice come to the Neha's ears when she was sleeping. Mother, wake up, sleepyhead. Her mother said, wake up, sleepyhead. Student, pay attention towards this word, sleepyhead. This word we used in our last poem also, sleepyhead. Sleepyhead means lazy person. You will miss the bus. If you will not get up, you can miss the bus. Her mother said, Neha, oh no, why does mother have to wake me up? Narrator. There is no escape now. Neha gets up and gets ready. Can you imagine what happens the next day? Neha wakes up with a start. Her watch says it is 6 o'clock. She calls out to her mother, Neha, Ma, who woke me up today? Now explanation of these lines. Narrator, storyteller. There is no escape now. Now there is no chance to sleep. Neha gets up and get ready, and she start getting ready for the school. Can you imagine? Can you think what happened the next day? The next day Neha wakes up herself, and when she look at her watch, it was 6 o'clock, means same time. It is 6 o'clock. She calls out to her mother. So she called out her mother and she asked with her mother, Ma, who woke me up today? Narrator. Mother smiles. Her mother smiles because that day Neha wakes up herself na, that's why her mother smile. Mother. Who else? You, of course. Her mother said कि no one wake you up, you wake up yourself. Neha. But I was sleeping. How could I? Neha is asking with her mother कि mother, I was sleeping, so how could I wake me up myself? Mother. Now tell me, why do you eat your lunch every day at noon in the afternoon? Her mother was asking with Neha, now tell me, why do you eat your lunch every day in the afternoon? So Neha says, I feel hungry. Neha says, because I feel hungry. Mother. Again mother asking second question, why do you sleep at 9 every night? Then his mother asking, why you sleep at 9 every night, 9 o'clock? Neha, because I feel sleepy. Mother, because I feel sleepy, so I sleep at 9 every night. Mother, there is a clock inside you which tells you when to eat, when to sleep, and when to wake up. Her mother told her there is a clock inside of you which tell us when we have to do our work like eating, sleeping, and wake up. Everybody has a body clock inside of their bodies, and you are a student, you are also having a clock inside of you. Neha. Oh, I better rush now. What she said? I better rush now. Why she said this, I better rush now? Because she want to go to school and she was going to take a bath, brush, and after get ready for the school. I don't want to miss the bus. Which bus? School bus. Neha is saying, I not want to miss my school bus. Mother. Now mother said, relax. Today is Sunday. Her mother said, relax. Don't worry. Today is Sunday. No need to rush. Neha. Oh ho ho. Student, this story is adapted from Neha's alarm clock. The writer of this story is Girija Rani Asthana. Now anybody can tell me what do you learn from this lesson? Okay, I will tell you. We learn from this lesson we have to get up in the morning. Early to bed, early to rise, makes a man healthy, wealthy, and wise. Now, after this, I will explain you your work, which you have to do in your notebook. Here is your work. True and false. Alarm clock always rings at 6 o'clock. Is it true? Yes, it is true. So I written here T. Second, Neha likes to wake up in the morning. No, she not want to get up in the morning. She want to sleep a little longer. So this statement is wrong. So I written here F. F means false. Third is, the son does not want Neha to miss the school bus. Son want? No, na? Son also not want Neha to miss the school bus. It is true. So I written here T. Now fourth, there is a clock inside us. Just before I told you, everybody is having a body clock. So this statement is right. So I written here T. Okay. Do all your work very carefully. Be careful about capital letters and full stops. After this, reference to context. This type of question you have done in your class 3 also. Now your question, read the following line and give the answer with reference to context. Your line is, wake up dear, wake up fast. Your questions are, who said this line to whom and why he or she said this. These two questions. Before giving the answer of these questions, we have to write the reference to context. In reference to context, as you know, we have to write the name of the lesson and the writer of the lesson. Have you remembered? Okay. Now, look at here. This line has been taken from lesson Neha's alarm clock, inverted commas, written by Girija Rani Asthana. This is the name of the lesson and Girija Rani Asthana is the writer of the lesson. Okay. Now the answer of the questions. Who said this line? Birds said this line to Neha. Why? Because Neha was sleeping. Because Neha was sleeping, so the bird said, wake up dear, wake up fast. Now question answers. Question number 1. What time did Neha's clock ring every morning? Answer is, Neha's clock rang at 6 o'clock every morning. Second, what is inside you that makes you get up at the same time every day? Answer is, there is a body clock inside us that makes us get up at the same time every day. Question number 3. In which day Neha wakes up with a start? In which day Neha wakes up with a start on Sunday. Now think and write. First question I solve for you and second question I am giving you as homework. Your first question is, if there is no clock in the house to wake you in the morning, how will you wake up? Answer is, I will wake up on my own. Why you will wake up yourself? Because there is a body clock inside of you. Now second question which you have to do as homework. What are the different ways of knowing the time during the day? How you come to know about the time during the day? So many things are there. I am giving you only two examples. Okay. First is clock and second is your mobile. Your mobile also tells the time. And you think yourself what are other things which tell you the time. You can write here the answer. Now again, make sentences. This is also your homework. Make sentences with following words: blanket, bright, relax, escape, snores. Blanket. I am giving you one example orally. Suppose this I have to make this blanket word. So I will make the sentence. I will use this blanket as in my sentence, like I have a beautiful blanket. Okay, and you can make I use blanket in winter season. This is also a sentence. These all you have to do yourself. These two work is your homework. Do your homework very carefully and note down your each and every work very carefully. Be careful about capital letters and full stops and question mark also. If you like to decorate your notebooks, so you can decorate your notebook. Now today your second lesson is completed. And student, if you have Marigold book, so please read the lesson very carefully. Each and every lines read very carefully, because in examination I can give the questions and question from the lesson. Not only this question which you written in your notebook, I can give you some more questions also. Okay. Now thank you student for watching the videos. Stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.